Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 7 power a is equals to 11 power b is equals to 5929, and we have to find ab by a plus b. So only few can crack the logic. So let's start with today's video solution. So I can write 7 power a is equals to 11 power b is equals to 5929 as 7 times 7 times 11 times 11. And in terms of exponent, it becomes 7 power a is equals to 11 power b is equals to 7 square times 11 square. Now, if I take this part only, 11 power b is equals to 7 power 2 times 11 power 2. Now I'm taking power a on both sides. So 11 power b whole power a, 7 power 2 power a, 11 power 2 power a. So it becomes 11 power ab is equals to 7 power 2 power a. I can write it as 7 power a power 2 according to exponent rule. X power m power n, we can write it as x power n power m as well, and times 11 power 2a. Now 7 power a is equals to 11 power b. So 11 power ab is equals to, in place of 7 power a, I can write 11 power b whole square times 11 power 2a. So 11 power AB is equals to 11 power 2B times 11 power 2A. Now, according to exponent rule, x power m times x power n is equals to x power m plus n. So, right hand side, I can write 11 power AB is equals to 11 power 2a plus 2b. Now we know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So ab is equals to 2a plus 2b. So ab is equals to, if I'll take 2 as common, a plus b. So ab by a plus b is equals to 2. What we have to find? AB by a plus b, that is 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.